with my bed. So my bed itself is from Pottery Teen. It's in the Hampton collection. I have cotton sheets that are from Target in the Room Essentials line, and then I have a duvet comforter with a comforter cover that is from Target as well. The white shams are from Target. They came in the comforter set. And then in front of it I have 3 throw pillows. I have a red one, a black one, and a gray one. These are kind of the main pops of color in my room, so I wanted to have them as pillowcases, so then it kind of ties the whole room together since the bed is kind of the main focal point of the room. The black and the velvet red pillow covers are from Ikea, and then the gray one is from H&M in their home decor line. I also have a throw blanket on my bed as well. It is black and white striped, and it's actually reversible, so the other side is mostly white with some black lines. So right now I have it on the black side since I feel like that goes a little better with my current room setup, but I can always switch it over if I want a change in my room. Above my bed I hung up a picture from Ikea. It is a picture of New York, and it's really cool because when the light's on it, the buildings kind of pop out and look 3D since they're separated from the background in a way. They're different material. Above that I hung a red rose that is also from Ikea, and we used just some sewing needles to hang it up on the wall since those don't really ruin the wall as much. They leave very small holes, and obviously the rose isn't that heavy. Left of my bed is the clothing rack. This is also from Ikea. I have a lot of stuff from Ikea, as you guys can probably tell. It's kind of my go-to for room decor and furniture since they have really good prices, and it's very much my style, so yeah. But anyways, now we're going to the right side of my bed. On each side of my shelf are 2 pots that are from Ikea, and they have some red flowers. I'm not sure the name of the flower, but they're my favorite kind of houseplant to have, so I'll have it on the screen in case you guys want to find one for your room. I have 2 containers with some writing supplies in it, and then in the back corner of my shelf I have a canvas that I painted in one of my DIY room decor videos recently. It'll be linked down below. And then in front of that I have a little to-do board. Now we're on to my desk. So it has a desk mat. Again, this is homemade. I used a clear desk mat that I got from Ikea, and then I put some paper underneath it, and I stuck some gems on the corner, and I feel like this was a really nice way to spice it up. The reason why I wanted a desk mat is because my desk is white wood, and it's not coated. It's always getting makeup and pencil marks and all different stuff on it, and it's really hard to clean. It takes a lot of time. So I figured that having a desk mat would be a great way since it's a lot easier to wipe off. In the back corner there are 2 filing folders. Not filing folders, what are they called? Organizers? Magazine holders? That's what they're called. And in them I have some notebooks. Next to that is a matte black lamp that is from Target. Under that is a little homemade woodblock calendar that I made myself in the DIY room decor video again. On the right side of my desk I have the microphone that I use for voiceovers, which is the Blue Yeti Pro, I think. To the left of that I have a pencil organizer. I got this from Walmart, I'm pretty sure. Above my desk I have 2 marble dry erase boards from Target. These are really cool because they're great decoration, and then you can write whatever you want to on them, or you can hang magnets with pictures on them as well. And to the left of that I have a canvas that I can hang up pictures on that I also made in my DIY room decor video. You guys should really watch it if you haven't. Now we're moving to the right of my desk, which is my dresser. So I have a few tin containers that came in a set from Ikea, and I just use these to store any small items that I don't have anywhere else to put in my room. In the center of my dresser I have a flower vase that's white. It has a really pretty shape. I love the top of it. How it kind of like curves in. It kind of looks like a flower bud or leaves or something, I don't know. But the vase itself is from Magnolia Market, and the flowers inside of it are from Michael's. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I totally forgot. My desk is from Ikea in the HEMNES collection, and my dresser I think is also from Ikea in the HEMNES collection as well. Oh yeah, they are. They come in a set. As you can see, they look pretty similar. another wall of my room, I have 2 bookshelves that are from Ikea in the HEMNES collection as well. I know for sure they're from Ikea. On them I have a lot of miscellaneous stuff. I have books, I have some random decorations that I had in my old room that I thought would go well in this room as well. I have some picture frames with some black and white photos of the city because I was kind of going for a city theme in my room. It's not really like the main theme of my room, but it's kind of one of the themes. And yeah, so that is my whole bookshelf area. In the back corner of my room is a little lounge area. I wanted to do this because I wanted to have another area besides my desk where I can work at, since I do online school and I have a lot of videos to edit, so all of that takes a lot of time at the computer. I have a beanbag chair in the corner from Pottery, and then next to that I have a side table which actually came in a set with my bed, but you can buy it separately. It's from Pottery in the Hampton collection. On the side table I have a lantern from Ikea. It's really awesome. It actually has a light bulb inside that lights up when you turn on the switch. And then next to that I put a little book because this is also an area where I like to read books at, so I'll just put whatever book I'm reading at the time on the side table so I can just go over there and read it whenever I want to. I was like, there needs to be something on the wall above this area because it was just plain. So I hung up a DIY decoration. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's like a hanging decoration with tassels on it, and yeah. And then I have curtains on the windows. I totally do not know where these are from, so I'll have that on the screen. But they're basically light blocking curtains that are a bright white color. They're kind of shiny. I think that's my whole room. If you guys are wondering what the paint color is, it is Snowbound from Sherwin-Williams. It has blue undertones, so it's a cool white, and that's definitely what I wanted for my room. That was my whole room tour of my room. If you guys haven't seen my room makeover yet, be sure to go watch that. I'll have it in the description or at the end of the video that you can click on. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for new uploads every single Friday. Oh, and also be sure to follow my socials, Instagram and Twitter if you haven't, because I like talking to you guys there. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! And the gray throw pillow cover in front of it is from H&M, not Target. Just gotta wait because the sink is running in the bathroom next to me. Please hurry up. And then a duvet cover with a white duvet cover on it. White duvet cover it. Whew. Okay. Can't talk. The reason why I got it, oh, I better make sure it's still going.